Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Bistro Ginkgo, the longevity cuisine. I'm going to show you how I can cook tofu. It's oil as usual, olive oil, and then some ginger. Why? I want to have some scallion, how do you say, some green onion, and then my storage is going out. Then I want to make tofu oil with a taste of the green onion, and then instead of that, I make this oil with normal onion. Then I cut it in a very small piece to make the flavor coming out. Right? And then if it's too fast, then I can cut. Then I just shut down and prepare the tofu. Actually, the tofu needs always be fried if you fry, because with the frying the surface is getting hard, and also the tofu can get the taste from the oil. So it's very important to make the oil have a very tasty structure. So now as everything is in, I put it online. Don't forget it. Now I want to add some taste in the tofu. So with mushroom, dried mushroom, it's shiitake. It's good because in the Chinese medicine they said it's good for longevity, because we have a lot of amino acid. Now we need a little bit dashi, so I just soak the water. Oh, should I get enough? Add some wakame. This is seaweed. It's good for our body because of the iron. Iron. And now I add some soy sauce and simmer the tofu on a big fire. Now add some more cleans the arteries. It's very good for protect yourself against the heart disease. The amino, it's amino acid from the plant. So you have to pay attention if you eat vegan to have enough amino acids. Now I'm so clean and I have some mushroom. I take more mushroom inside and it makes much better. All the mushroom inside. Yeah, it's really. It's ready.